Do you believe that in just 7 days you can transform your home into a clean, tidy space that makes anyone who walks in stop and admire? Many people think that reorganizing a home will take months, even years. But I will show you a simple, clearly structured way to get it done in just 1 week, without stress or exhaustion. Over the next 7 days, we will work through each of the most important areas, starting with the heart of the home, then your place of rest, the shared living space, the bathroom laundry area, workspace, and finally, the small details that make a big difference. I agree that this title may sound bold, but I also want you to know that behind this challenge is not just cleaning techniques. It's about changing habits and creating a living space that truly reflects who you are. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you find this content helpful, and leave a comment below to tell me where you're watching from. Your support is the motivation for us to keep sharing more meaningful things. Thank you for being here. And now, we will move on to the first day. Day 1. Start with the heart of the home, the kitchen. The kitchen is not just where you cook, it is the heart of the home, a place where everyone passes through, and also the area that can show the most dramatic change after just one cleaning session. That's why we start here. When the kitchen is clean and tidy, the whole home will immediately feel brighter and more organized, and that will give you the motivation to keep going. Start by preparing a box or large bin to collect all items that don't belong in the kitchen. You don't need to sort them yet. Just get them out of the area so you won't be distracted. Next, clean all surfaces: countertops, stovetop, the outside of the fridge, and the dining table. Use a damp cloth and an appropriate cleaner to wipe each surface until it shines. If there are dirty dishes, wash and dry them before putting them away. Don't leave anything wet or greasy behind. Once the surfaces are clean, you'll feel an instant sense of relief. Take a moment to enjoy it. Step back and look at your kitchen. If you like, take a before and after photo. This will be great motivation throughout the week. Next, quickly check your cupboards and fridge. Remove any expired or spoiled food. Wipe the inside before putting things back. Don't try to perfect everything in one day. Today's goal is simply to make the space clean, tidy, and easy to use. In the days ahead, you'll notice cooking becomes easier, saving you time and effort. A tidy kitchen not only helps you prepare meals more easily, but also creates warmth for the whole family. And that is exactly why we start here. Day 2. Conquer the bedroom. The bedroom is where you rest and recharge, so keeping it tidy and calm will directly affect your sleep quality and mood. After waking up, don't rush to pull the blanket and make the bed right away, because the moisture left after a night's sleep can create a favorable environment for bacteria and dust mites to grow. Open the window to let in sunlight and fresh air. Then take the time to make a cup of coffee, water the plants, or fold some laundry. About 20-30 minutes later, when the sheets and pillows have dried and aired out, you just need to smooth the bedding, arrange the pillows, and lay the blanket neatly so the bedroom is both tidy and healthier. This simple act creates an instant sense of order and sets the tone for a tidy day. Next, deal with all clothes lying on the bed, on chairs, or the floor. Sort them into 3 groups: clean clothes, dirty clothes, and clothes to give away. Fold and put clean clothes back in the closet. Put dirty clothes straight into the laundry basket. For items you haven't worn in the last 6 months, confidently place them in a donation bag. This will make your closet lighter and easier to manage. After handling clothes, clean all surfaces such as nightstands, dressers, or desks if you have one in the room. Use a damp cloth to dust and refresh the space. Don't forget to vacuum or sweep the floor, then mop if needed. Once everything is tidy and clean, take a minute to stand at the doorway and look at your room. The peaceful and satisfying feeling will make you want to maintain order longer. A clean bedroom not only helps you sleep better, but also brings positive energy every morning. And that's why today we dedicate all our time to caring for our place of rest. Day 3. Turn the living room into a welcoming space. The living room is the face of your home, where you greet guests and where your family gathers. So keeping it tidy will bring warmth and friendliness the moment someone steps in. Start by removing all items that don't belong there, such as clothes left on chairs, children's toys, scattered papers, or anything out of place. Prepare a basket or large box to collect everything, then return it to its proper spots when you finish cleaning the main area. Next, arrange pillows and blankets on the sofa, folding them neatly so the space looks orderly and inviting. Clear the coffee table, leaving only essential or decorative items. Store the rest in cabinets or shelves. Use a soft cloth to dust all surfaces, including tables, the TV stand, and bookshelves. If you have books or magazines, stack them neatly or place them in a tray or basket. For small items like the TV remote, create a fixed spot so everyone knows where to put it back after use. A tidy living room creates comfort for the whole family and makes you feel more confident when guests drop by unexpectedly. When finished, sit down, look around, and feel the difference. This will inspire you to continue the challenge tomorrow. If you've watched this far, the next part will surprise you, because we're moving into one of the most important yet often overlooked areas when cleaning. But before we get to that, if you found these tips helpful, you might also enjoy another video on the channel titled Say Goodbye to Mess. The 30-30-30 cleaning method will revolutionize your home. In it, we share a simple cleaning method that can completely change how you keep your home tidy without spending too much time each day. You might see the video tag at the top right of the screen right after this, in the description, or you can check it out later, because what you're looking for might just be there. And now, let's move on to the next part, Day 4 of the challenge, where we will completely take control of the bathroom in just 2 hours. The bathroom is a space that needs to be kept clean and organized because it directly affects your health and daily comfort. Start by clearing all surfaces such as the sink, bathtub or shower area, shelves, and storage cabinets. Place everything in a temporary box so you have space to clean more easily. Next, thoroughly clean each area. Use a suitable solution to scrub the sink, toilet, shower, and mirror. Wipe down tiled walls if you have them, especially in areas prone to build-up and stains. While the cleaner is working, check all cosmetics and personal care products. Discard anything expired or that you no longer use. Arrange the items you want to keep into groups, such as hair products, skincare, and cleaning supplies. If space is limited, you can use small containers or wall shelves to maximize the area. Don't forget to dry all surfaces after cleaning to prevent water spots and grime from returning quickly. A clean and tidy bathroom will make your morning and evening routines more pleasant and bring a fresh feeling every time you step in. This is exactly why we tackle the bathroom midway through the challenge, to boost your energy for the remaining days. Day 5. Organize the laundry area. The laundry area is often overlooked when cleaning, but it directly affects how well you keep your clothes clean and tidy. Start by sorting all laundry waiting to be washed into light and dark colors, or by fabric type if necessary. Place each group in its basket for easy handling. If you have clothes that have been washed but not yet folded, fold them right away and put them in the closet to free up space. Next, organize all laundry products and tools. Check the expiration dates of detergents and remove anything expired or unused. Keep everything in a safe place, out of reach of children and pets. Arrange your iron, folding table, or other equipment so they're easy to access and put away, reducing prep time each use. Wipe down the surfaces of your washer, dryer, and surrounding area to remove dust and detergent residue. A tidy laundry space makes the chore quicker and easier and reduces the risk of dirty clothes piling up for too long. Once finished, you'll appreciate walking into a clean, organized space, an ideal setup for the final stretch of this challenge. Day 6. Create an efficient workspace. Whether you work from home or just need a place to manage paperwork and pay bills, a tidy workspace will help you focus and save time. Start by gathering all papers scattered on the desk, shelves, or even chairs. Sort them into clear groups such as bills, personal documents, warranties, and items to discard. For each group, place them in a folder or pouch and label them clearly. Next, organize stationery like pens, scissors, clips, and sticky notes. Throw away broken or dried out items. Keep only what you use daily, avoiding excess that clutters the space. Wipe down the desk surface and electronics, and neatly coil cables to make the area look cleaner. If you have shelves or drawers, arrange frequently used items within easy reach. A tidy workspace not only feels pleasant every time you sit down, but also saves time when you need to find documents or tools. Once done, sit at your desk, look around, and feel the difference. This is the space that will support you in working more effectively every day. Day 7. Finish with thoughtful details. The final day of the challenge isn't for heavy cleaning, but for focusing on small details that make a big difference to your home. Start by wiping all light switches, door handles, and electrical outlets. These are areas you touch daily, but often forget to clean. Use a damp cloth and suitable cleaner, wiping gently to remove dust and fingerprints. Next, clean all mirrors and windows. Sparkling glass will make spaces feel larger and allow natural light to spread more beautifully. If you have houseplants, trim yellow leaves, wipe dust from foliage, and water them as needed. Plants not only add freshness, but also improve indoor air quality. If you don't have any, consider adding 1 or 2 small pots in the living room or kitchen for a touch of life. Finally, take a walk around your home and straighten small things like crooked frames, shifted rugs, or untidy curtains. When you're done, stand in the middle of your living space and enjoy the feeling of cleanliness, order, and renewed energy. This is not just the result of the past 7 days, but the start of a new habit that will keep your home in its best state. In just 7 days, you've gone through each of the most important areas of your home, from the kitchen bedroom and living room to the bathroom, laundry area, workspace, and finally the thoughtful finishing touches. Each step has not only made your home cleaner and tidier, but also brought comfort and a sense of control. The key is realizing that with a clear plan and consistent steps, results come faster and last longer than you might think. Remember, cleaning is not a one-time job. It's a routine to maintain. You can follow the 15-minute-a-day rule to keep things under control, or schedule a deeper clean of each area weekly. Starting today, take one small action. Tidy a drawer, wipe a table, or fold a few clothes. Every small step contributes to a home that reflects who you are and brings peace to your mind. Thank you for joining me for the past 7 days. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share so more people can transform their homes into a space worth living in. See you in the next challenge.